Writing an essay involves several key steps. Now here's a simple guide to help you get started, and I'll put it all in the description. Number 1, choose a topic. Pick a subject that interests you. If you have a specific prompt, make sure to understand it. Number 2, research. Gather information from books, articles, or reliable websites. Take notes on important points. Number 3, create an outline. So organize your ideas into an outline. This is going to help you structure your essay. A basic outline includes introductions. So 1 introduction. Introduce your topic and include a thesis statement. So basically the main point of your essay. Then you have the body, which is paragraphs. Each paragraph should cover a single idea that supports the thesis. Start with a topic sentence followed by evidence or examples, and then a closing sentence. Then the conclusion. So summarize your main points and restate your thesis in a new way. End with a final thought or a call to action, which means, letting people know what the next step is they have to do. Number 4, write the essay. Follow your outline and write your first draft. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on getting your ideas down. Number 5, revise and edit. So review your draft for clarity, coherence, and grammar. Make your changes as needed, and it can help you to read it aloud. Number 6, finalize. So write a final version of your essay, ensuring it is neat and follows any format guidelines. Okay? And by following these steps, you're going to be able to write a clear, organized essay. Jesus is Lord. Ciao.